Good morning, Woodland School. We're excited to be joining you again for our Friday morning assembly with our students. And this week's theme, we're talking about all the cool things that we're going to do when life gets back to normal. So I can't wait to hear what our students have to say, and I'm sure you're excited about that as well. So getting us started is Emma.
The first thing I'm going to do once life gets back to normal is horseback riding, because I haven't been horseback riding in at least 2 months because the barn is closed. So once the quarantine lifts, I'm going to do that.
That sounds like fun. What about you, Michael?
The first thing I will do when life is normal again is go to public places because I didn't do it as much before. And then also hang out with my friends and visit my grandparents.
That sounds great. Great. It sounds like an important way to get back to life as normal. What about you, Grayson?
I will go to make sure spend extra time with my family just because I haven't seen them as much in a while, and make sure to spend extra time with my friends and go back to school.
Yeah.
Which I'm very hopeful that we can start back up in the fall.
Yeah. Well, I'm right there with you, Grayson. I hope we can do that too.
I'm excited to see my friends again and be able to socialize with people face to face.
What about you, Morgan?
First thing I want to do is definitely go out play tennis because I haven't played tennis in like forever, and that's definitely the thing that I probably miss the most right now, just like being active and playing tennis.
Yeah. Well, I know that's your favorite sport.
Yeah.
So I will add and say that some of you mentioned what's been on my mind too is just going to see my family outside of my immediate family that lives in my house. So going to see my sisters and my nieces and nephews and my parents up in Connecticut. I can't wait till I can go and do that safely. What about you, Mr. Shank?
Well, the thing I miss the most is playing golf, and I'm going to be able to get to do that very soon. So I'm very much looking forward to that. And that's combined with being able to socialize with my friends because I play golf with my friends as well. So I get a 2-for-1 deal there. So thank you, kids. That was awesome. Appreciate your support. Hello, Woodland. I've got some birthday announcements for the week. On 4/27, happy birthday to Aiden Al-Abdullah. On the 30th, Ada Nucci, and she shares a birthday with Gianna Pietrini. On May 1st, happy birthday to Brianna Perry and also Cooper Quinn. And on May 2nd, happy birthday to Michael Lucursi. Make it a great day, everybody.
Have a great weekend.
See ya.